Shower in Serenity, Venetian blinds that keep privacy, and Pearls Dry. Part 2. Fox Wood Venetian Blind, a more durable and stylish alternative to real wood. Fox Wood Venetian blind are made from a composite material that is resistant to water, warping, and fading. They offer the look of wood without the maintenance, and they come in a wider range of colors and textures than aluminum blinds. Vinyl Venetian Blind, the most water-resistant option. The INYL Venetian blind are virtually waterproof and can withstand even direct exposure to water. They're also very easy to clean and maintain, making them a good choice for kitchens and bathrooms. Vinyl Venetian blinds are typically less expensive than other options. PVC Venetian Blind. Similar to vinyl Venetian blinds, PVC blinds are highly water-resistant and easy to clean. They come in a variety of colors and finishes, and they're generally more affordable than other options. However, PVC blinds can be less durable than aluminum or Fox wood blinds, and they may not be as heat-resistant.